Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related, and in today's video, I'm doing an unboxing. So, if you're new here, hi, I review all things luxury skincare related. I'm super passionate about it and I just love expensive skincare. Guys, I'm a little under the weather today, as you can tell. I feel like it's in my voice. I don't have the energy level that I'm used to right now, and I'm just trying to push through because it is Christmas and you guys need to know the deeds. And I just got an auteurhaul. Hold on, I'm sucking on Werther's too for my throat, so I'm so sorry you guys, but I got an auteurhaul order. And if you guys don't know what auteurhaul is, it is a German skincare brand, and it is honestly top tier skincare. I have videos and reviews on it. I mean, I'm obsessed with the brand. I'm obsessed with the products. And the quality of my skin goes from here to here when I'm using auteurhaul products. I don't know what they do, but they truly work. And I just love this brand so much. So I'm so happy and grateful that I got more products. I had ultimately chose to get 2 moisturizers and then a luscious lip product that I cannot wait till the end of the video because I'm gonna actually try that on for you for the first time. But I got the Definitive Restoration Cream. So when you get auteurhaul products, they come packaged like this. It's super luxe, but I'm gonna unbox it. This I've been using. And then, of course, you have this amazing packaging, and the Definitive Restoration Cream is what I got right here. I got 1 fluid ounce of it. Honestly, I've been using this. As you guys know, I'm sick. So, like, when you're sick, your skin is, like, not the best, I've only been using this on my face and a little bit of the Composition #1 cream or serum. That's, you guys know that one will go down in history, but I've been using this moisturizer as well. Honestly, it fixed my skin. It's balanced out my skin so much better. My pores look so much better. It's healthy. It's got a glow. I mean, this is the first time I'm using this product. Again, it's a Definitive Restoration Cream, and it's amazing. auteurhaul just kills it with these products. There's 0 fragrance. The packaging is stunning. I mean, it's glass, it's heavy, it's chic. It's got that emblem there. And I mean, these products aren't cheap, but honestly, they're incredible. They're made in Germany, and they're manufactured for auteurhaul. Amazing. I don't know what they do to these products, but honestly, it's like La Mer level for me. It's a love story, baby. Let's just say yes. The second product that I wanted to repurchase or to have in my life again was the Definitive Density Cream. This cream I've had before, and I miss it. I missed it, so in order for me to unbox it, I have to, so here it is. It's completely untouched. I haven't opened it at all. It looks a little different package, but you can see, like, you just take it off here and it's really pretty. This just had the quality of my skin looking incredible, I remember. And hold on, is this like a new, is this gonna, oh, I took the top off. Bam, bam. Hi, how the hell are ya? Here she is, baby. Wow. That was amazing. I loved that. And it's just the same packaging. So what I'm gonna do, just to show you guys, wow, I love that. Oh my God, that's going back here, this packaging. Here's the Definitive Restoration Cream. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand so you guys can see it. I don't like wasting any of this. So that's the Definitive Restoration Cream. Here's the Definitive Density Cream. I'm gonna put that here. Oh, wow. Okay. So they look a little different. Okay. So you could see one, it's a little different in color. The Definitive Density Cream is a little more lightweight. This is a little more, I don't know, more like molded or like, I don't know. They both have, like, see how nice that just kind of moves? That's the Density. This is the Restoration. And it's just a little on the thicker side, I'd say. So they both have different textures, both do different things. and I think they're truly magical. So I think I'm gonna put a little more of the restoration cream on me because I already have that on right now. So we're just gonna obviously not waste that. You know what, bring it down the neck, as always, beautiful. And you know what, I'm gonna do this too. I never get irritated from Auteur products, and they're very high. Like their ingredients are very high and very effective, and I never break out from them. I never have like weird allergic reactions. Like, I don't know, it's just top tier quality when it comes to these products. Man, I love that Definitive Density Cream. I have to decide which one I want to use at night and which one I want to use at day, by day. But you want to know something? I feel so spoiled right now and just so blessed to have not one but two Auteur moisturizers in my life that I'm honestly blown away. I'm gonna do a comparison video. I went right in with the restoration cream though, because that's one that I really need to get comfortable with. But last but not least is their new definitive lip treatment right here. So I want to move everything out of the way because this is really important to me. Like, this is special. Oh, okay. The Definitive Density Cream has its own like fucking house. It's like, it's beautiful. It's a masterpiece, girl. Like, okay, we're gonna tuck her in. Good night. This product has squalene, hyaluronic acid. It's got their lip sculpt complex. It's got vitamin E in it. So I mean, this thing is loaded up. So I think I want to read the instructions for this. I do have some lipstick on, so I should probably take that off. What it is, it's a high active transformative formula designed to restore fullness to the lips while improving long-term hydration. A peptide complex targets the natural formation of collagen and hyaluronic acid and supports optimal cellular communication to reveal a smoother and more structured appearance to delicate lips. Apply twice daily or as needed. My lips are for sure dry because I'm sick, so like I definitely could use a little something something. Okay, so I just got some out. You have to twist it out. Oh, I think I put a little too much on. And then I'm just gonna do this because I feel like I got a lot out. It's really hydrating. Oh my God. Sorry, I'm sick. Look how pretty this made my lips. Wow. I used a lot. Hold on. Oh my God. It is like a really, really hydrated chapstick, but like nicer. And it really moisturizes your lips. Oh my God. And this is the applicator, you know what I mean? It's a little dented. Oh, this feels incredible. It has no fragrance. My lips feel great. Honestly, they needed hydration. Oh my God, you guys can see this. I don't know if I could put some of the, I don't want to waste this because I obviously want this in my routine, but you could see it on my lips clearly. It's easy to move around. It's an easy formula. It's not sticky. It doesn't burn. You know how sometimes like lip plumping or like lip formulas, they have like a menthol-y like vibe to them. This does not. It honestly feels amazing. And this is something I can put on my lips before bed every single night. Like it's thick, but not totally thick, but like, it's definitely juicy. Like, oh wow. I am so pleasantly surprised. Auteur never fails me. I swear to God, this brand is just top tier. Like, you guys, I'm not kidding. I love Auteur. And like, it's La Mer status for me. That's how good I like this is, I'm telling you, what I want to say is this. This is what I want to say. I need a workers. Hold on. Wow, I'm just shocked because I've tried lip treatments from like Tatcha and Chantecaille and La Mer, and like I would probably compare this most to the La Mer one just in application and like look and feel of it, except it's minus the menthol and like that, or that like burny substance that tries to plump your lips. Like it doesn't have that in it, and it has like no color to it. It doesn't have like a pink sheen or anything like that. It's just quality. Like I have so much on, it's kind of going up on my lips, but honestly, it looks like, I feel like this will actually help chap lips. Like where the other one, what do I have? Do I have it? Oh yeah, this isn't like, it's soothing, but it's also more of like a cosmetic, where this legitimately feels like a treatment. But what I have to say is Auteur has become, honestly, a must-have for me. I definitely notice my skin has majorly declined when I'm not using the products. Its quality is just top tier, and I absolutely love the products. And I'm just so happy to have this back, like, in my life and in my routine, because seriously, your skin is banging when using these products, and I just think they're such quality. But what I'm gonna do is I'm obviously using these products now. I'm trying to get a good vibe for you. I'm trying to get a feel of how they actually work so I can give you guys like honest quality feedbacks. But as of right now, this is the Auteur that I have in my life, and I'm super, super excited for it, even though I don't look it right now because I'm not feeling well. But these products, oh, what I want to say to people is, I know Auteur is extremely expensive, but I know a lot of my subscribers, like, you guys love La Prairie, you love Sisley, you love La Mer. Before you invest in like an $800 serum, I want you, like in La Prairie, like your brands that you already know, I want you to just take a step back, and I really want you guys to try Auteur, because I'm telling you, this is that level and above. So I really think, and it's very strong active ingredients. You don't get the irritation. I mean, it's a beautiful quality brand, and I want everybody to try Auteur, and then I want it to report back to me, because I'm telling you, I try it all, as you guys can see, and this brand has really stuck out to me when it comes to quality products, and I can't say enough about it, and I want you guys to try it. So I'm gonna link these guys below. More reviews to come, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys are having a fantastic holiday season, and I will see you soon. Love you. Bye.